ढंग से बता. Come on, follow the lead. ये तो काफी सही गाना है यार. Ding.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the General Fun Game Show. Oh! Wow, everyone doing good? All right, guys, we're going to start the show. You guys ready? Yes. Tonight is called the General Fun Game Show, and it is a game show where we test the skill of 3 very sexy contestants that I will be introducing. Yeah. They're very, very nervous. They're like, what are you going to do? And I was like, you wait and see. We're going to get in trouble, all of you. All right, are you guys ready to meet your first contestant for tonight? He is a good comedian in this country. That's right. I mean, he's too good. Like, people are like, is he good? And I'm like, you tell me when he wasn't good. You tell me. And they're like, we can't. And I was like, exactly. Because he's too good. He's also written for the very, very famous television show called The Week That Wasn't. Yes. Yeah. Thank you, one person. And not a big deal, but he's also part of AIB, but I mean, whatever. The week that wasn't the bigger achievement. Right. Please give it up for Ashish Shakya!
Week that wasn't, ladies and gentlemen.
That's the first time we met.
Yes, we did.
At the week that wasn't.
Yes.
But you were a writer.
And you were the only person who stuck to the script because the other person was Cyrus Brocha, whose idea of joke is, what is script? Fuck you. I will just talk.
Thank you so much, Ashish, for being here. Ashish Shakya, ladies and gentlemen.
Good to be here.
Sonali Thakkar is our next guest, and she... Oops, I was supposed to say the name at the end.
Pretend you didn't hear that.
Our next guest is Sonali Thakkar. No! Sonali Thakkar, ladies and gentlemen! I had a great intro that I messed up on. I was going to say she loves to travel. She's an avid traveler all around Mumbai. From Malad to Vasai. And also, altogether, Baikala. Yes. Right. Sonali Thakkar, ladies and gentlemen. Our next contestant, I'm not going to say his name just yet. Magar ye Londa.
That word could have gone anywhere, Kenny. Londa could have gone for a second.
ये लौंडा बहुत अच्छा कॉमेडियन है और बहुत बड़ा है इंडस्ट्री में और वो दिल्ली से आई अरे वाह दिल्ली तो लोग चलो तालियों दबाओ और जाकिर खान जाकिर खान सलाम अलैकुम
Hello, check.
That's how we Muslims greet each other. It's any Muslims in the house? Let me hear you say hey.
अरे है शर्माने की बात नहीं कह दो.
Yes. All right, are you guys ready to play the General Fun Game Show? Yes. So the first round is called Generally Rapid. Okay. And in this round, I will be asking you guys questions. Okay. You will have to, before answering, you have to say ding.
Ding. Cool.
Ding. And then answer your question.
Right. Okay.
All right? And then you will get points.
Acha.
Yes. Now...
Can I write that down?
I'm explaining this really well. I really am. I am. You know what, Zakir? Zakir gets 10 points. What? Because because he's just being very positive.
I've just heard that the way to get points on this show is to compliment Kaniz. Is that true?
I mean, try it.
I don't like indulging in nepotism and corruption. I'm not going to
Fair.
tell Kaniz that she's the most beautiful person
Right.
in the world. It's not going to
Yeah.
get me points, right? Like even if you get me 500
No,
points,
no.
10 points,
So
20.
you're not going to do that.
No,
Okay.
I mean Kaniz is so amazing that like
But so you're not going to do that.
no.
Minus 10 for Ashish.
Damn it.
With minus 10, 0 and 10 points. Are you ready to start the game show? All right, first round is called Generally Rapid. And the first question is, how many days does Kaniz's period last for?
Ding.
Yes.
5.
okay. Incorrect.
Ding.
Yes, Sonali.
3.5.
Ooh, incorrect.
Ding. 4.
Yes.
Damn it.
4.
That is the correct answer, Sakir. Well done. Call you. What?
No.
Muslims have their cycles matching.
Yeah.
Zakir is my period pal. We're in sync. I'm on day 3, by the way.
Nice.
If anyone wanted to know.
Do I get points for
Sorry?
points?
No, don't ask for too much. I'll give, don't worry. I'll also take away. Question number 6. Please complete the following famous quote by comedian Biswa Kalyan Rai. A blank, tera naam
Tati.
kya hai?
Ding. Tati.
I'm afraid you did not get
Ding.
it right.
Tati. Ding. Tati.
Ding.
Yes,
Damn it.
30.
that is the correct answer. I'm afraid you didn't say ding.
Sorry, it's just that
I
when
know.
30 happens, I get
You
excited.
get excited.
It's half our scripts, guys.
That is true. Sorry, Ashish Shakya. But you know what? Because you are you, we'll just all enjoy that moment. Question number 7. It is almost May in India. What happens in May?
Ding.
No, that's not the question.
What a question.
Sorry, I was building it up.
Okay.
What happens in May? We're all eating mangoes.
Ding.
Oh. Wait, no. And what kind of mangoes do we eat? All kinds of mangoes. So my question is, what mango is used to make ras?
Ding.
Yes, Sonali Thakkar.
Alfonso.
That is the incorrect answer. Tame gujuchu
Ding.
nati. Yes.
Hafus.
That is isn't Hafus Alfonso?
I don't know. So, I don't know. I don't eat
Ding.
mangoes. I don't eat mangoes, guys.
Yes.
Langla.
Hey.
There is a
गाली
yes.
मत दो शो में ये फैमिली शो है परिवार का शो है
Ma'am,
Yes,
Ratnagiri.
That is the incorrect answer. We pass this question on to the audience. Yes, ma'am. That is the correct answer. The answer is Pyri mangoes.
What's a pyri?
It's like a yellow mango. I meant to ask the question on the yellow part, not the mango part. That is the correct answer. Who would you like to give your points to? Zakir Khan gets 10 points. Hey, she's married, huh? Don't do all. Thank you so much, ma'am. Question number 8. In 13 words, please describe how you make mutton biryani.
Ding.
Yes, Ashish Shakya.
I pick up the phone and call the guy from Mini Punjab restaurant.
Ashish Shakya, 10 points. Question number 9. Please, can you name a part of the body that is not a sexual organ beginning with the letter P?
Ding.
Yes, Sonali Thakkar.
Pancreas.
That is the correct answer! 10 points for Sonali Thakkar. Sonali, could you please use pancreas in a sentence?
Pancreas is that part of my body which is not a sexual organ.
Sonali Thakkar. Yeah. Question number 10. This is the last 10 of the round. Oh. Stop it. There's a whole show after that. You negative Nancy. What sound? What sound do mating geese make?
Ding.
Yes,
Ding.
Zakir Khan. Aren't you happy you're married? Would anyone else like to go?
Ding.
Yes.
तू गीस बड़ी है मस्त मस्त.
I'm afraid that's the incorrect answer. Sorry, geese don't talk. But I like how you're bringing humor into the show.
That's right.
Give it up for Sonali Thakkar. Ashish, would you like to go?
I was also going to talk and say something like, I saw
Yes.
chaloge to aisa, but
I'll give you a hint. It sounds. So like Zakir did, it sounds.
it sounds.
It just sounds, yeah.
Because I thought they texted like they had a geese Tinder and like shit.
Enough about your sex. Would you like to go? Continue.
Now this will descend into like modern sounds.
That is the incorrect answer. I'm afraid the points will actually get split amongst all three of you because you guys put in a good effort.
Yes.
So that means 3.5 points each. 3.3. The sound is actually and then the woman comes in. And then the guy, and then they fall asleep. And then the lady geese quietly goes to the bathroom and
Sounds like it's coming from a really honest place. So sorry, Kareem. You have to.
no.
It's a story I have heard. Like,
Guys, congratulations, you've made it to the first round of the General Population Rapid! Alright, come on, Varun, can we please get the scores for round 1? Hashi Shakya has 15.3, 33 points! Zakir Khan is sitting at 53.33 points! And Sonali Thakkar is at 23.33 points! Give it up for the contestants! Alright, are you guys ready for round number 2? Yes!
Yes, of course.
Kitna dur hai? All together. Yeah.
Kitna dur
hai? Give it up for yourself. The first one is, how long does it take in hours to get from Jantar Mantar in Delhi to Jantar Bar in Bandra? By car. So driving. All right, I'm afraid time's up. I need your answers. Ashish Shakya, what is... Oh, you just hold it up.
Oh, okay.
What is your answer? 21.5 hours. Oh, Sonali Thakkar. What? 1 day? Plus waiting at Jantar. And your answer is 6 hours by car? The correct answer is...
ये NFS में नहीं हो रहा.
22 hours and 20 minutes, which means Ashish Shakya gets 10 points. All right, the next distance you need to figure out is, how long does it take from Cuckoo Club to Narendra Modi's house in Ahmedabad? Sakir,
yes,
do you have the answer?
I know the exact distance and time because
Because
I
you've
was
been there
there
so
in
many-
2002. So that's my
You all
survival
need
story.
to address what happened.
मतलब और भी चीजें हुई थी 2002 में नाइट प्रेस भी जीते थे हम लोग गाइस बहुत सारा हुआ
नहीं नेट हाँ वो इसी की बात
हाँ
कर
करेक्ट ना वही तो ऑब्वियसली
I got so excited in Ahmedabad that I ran.
राइट
I I don't know if you guys know this is by train, by the way. Do you guys have your answers?
Yeah.
Yes.
Ashish Shakir, what is your answer? 8 hours. Ooh, that's like a good night's sleep. So it's only like 6 hours. 6 hair hours. And the answer is 8 hours and 30 minutes. Which means Ashish Shakir gets 10 points. Ashish, you're good at this distance game.
I know.
You should do long distance relationships.
I've done. Yeah. So lovely.
My sex life and Ashish's relationships. Sad moments in the show. All right, guys, congratulations. You've come to the round. The end of round 2 all together. Yeah. Kitna dur. Hey. Alrighty. I'm Kaneez Turkan. This is a general fun game show. I feel like we could cut to a commercial break, but it's a live show. All right. Oh, Ashish Shakir on 45.33 points. Zakir Khan on 63.33. Still in the lead, Zakir. And Sonali Thakkar at 33.33 points. Yeah. Ooh, the dynamics are like, whoa. We don't know what's going to happen. This next round is called Word. All right, and in this round, I am going to go to the audience members and ask them for a word, an object. I will then give you guys a chance to guess what word the audience thought of. If you get the right word that is on the piece of paper, well done. If you don't, none of you get it, I will ask you guys to justify why your word is closest to the word on the piece of paper. Yes?
Yes.
All right, we're going to get one last object for this round called word. Yes, sir. Hi. Whoa. Jeez, dirty man. What is, I will start with Zakir. What do you think the word is, Zakir?
I think the word is condom. माच दो सेक्स पे आ जाओ खत्म करो
Ashish, what do you think the word is?
The word is cupcake.
Oh.
That's not helping, guys.
And Sonali Thakkar, what do you think the word is?
Deodorant.
Sorry, it's hot outside. Sorry, guys.
You were the inspiration, Ashish.
All right, I've read the answer. None of you got the actual answer. The answer is antimatter.
Oh.
He feels so let down right now.
प्रोफेसर साहब क्या होता है एंटीमैटर
Could you please explain to us what antimatter is?
Yeah, so the concept is when there is Big Bang.
Yeah.
जो रोज होता है
हाँ अरे जो बिग बैंग अरे वो बैटरा पे हो रहा है ट्रैफिक इसलिए ले
कहाँ
वो
पे
बिग बैंग वो अरे
वो पेट्रोल पंप वो लिंक रोड जहाँ फटती वहाँ हाँ
Start of the universe. So start with the Big Bang.
Yeah.
5 बजे होता है
Part of the
The matter is created at the same amount of antimatter is created. So
Okay.
we are trying to find the
So it's somewhere in the universe.
so I was
Yes.
somewhat
Okay.
right.
Now, how does your word relate to that? We'll start with Ashish.
Right. My word is cupcake. Cupcake to antimatter. All right. So, cupcakes, as you're all familiar with because you've been to Bandra and everywhere you find cupcakes. If you eat a lot of cupcakes,
Yes.
you get fat. You gain mass. Mass is a property of matter. Matter is something that occupies mass and has mass and occupies space. Yes.
Yes.
And now that we've reached matter, we've realized that we're trying to search for antimatter in the universe, which is supposed to be in equal amounts.
All right,
But,
Ashish
yes.
Shakir. Oh, Sonali Thakkar.
antimatter, related to Big Bang Theory,
Yes.
which is related to science. And science was taught to me in school
Yes.
by Mr. Nimkar,
Oh.
who always used to sweat a lot.
Yes.
And what would have been an ideal gift for him,
Oh.
A deodorant. Rest my case.
Sonali Zakir, ladies and gentlemen. Zakir Khan, yes.
सो नहीं साइंटिफिक है. देखिए बिग बैंग जो है वो शुरुआत में हुआ, ठीक है, और एक नया यूनिवर्स क्रिएट हुआ बिग बैंग के बाद. तो उसी तरह के छोटे छोटे बिग बैंग हम सब हैं. अब देखो जो क्रिएट हो गया वो मैटर, और कॉन्डम की वजह से जो नहीं क्रिएट हो पाया वो एंटी मैटर.
Oh, Zakir Khan, you get the 10 points. Oh, which means we've come to the end of round 3. Could we please get the scores? Ashish Shakya is at 55.33 points.
Not bad.
Zakir Khan is at 83.33 points. And Sonali Thakur is at 43.33 points.
Close game.
I should come.
Close
I
game.
should second.
This round is called Draw Me Like One of Your French Girls. Which means that you have to, on this piece of paper, draw a portrait of me. You will be drawing me. And you will be singing karaoke. This is so complicated. So could we
Guys,
please
why are you
get...
paying money for this guy? What is wrong?
There's two people in the back being like, yeah, why are we paying money for this?
This
All
round
right.
is everything what I am not.
No, you believe in yourself, Zakir. You believe in yourself. Could we please get the first contestant for the round? Draw me like one of your French girls, Ashish Shakya. This is your song that you'll be singing to karaoke.
All right.
Watch one out, time's up, over, wow, snap back to reality.
Oh, this opportunity comes once in a lifetime. So in the music, the moment you own it, you better never let it go. Child, do not miss a chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime.
Give it up for Ashish Shakya. Woo! This is no easy task. And let's see what the fuck? I'm sorry, could you please explain what body part is what? Because,
See,
yes.
those
What?
are your lungs.
Okay.
Because you have great stamina, kiddies. You're lovely
Okay.
with the stamina. And
What are these?
Oh.
Oh my god. Guys, we will be selling the Ashish Shakya original after the show. Ashish Shakya, ladies and gentlemen. All right, could we please have our next contestant up? It's Sonali Thakur, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
This is a sample of your song that you will be singing.
Hey, I know this song. ये तो मैं बिना कह रहे हुए गा सकता हूँ.
बॉम्ब लगती मैंने ऐसे ड्रेस 15 होती हो करते हैं
Oh,
कटलेट
yeah.
तेरा बॉम्ब फिगर ब्लू आईज हिप्नोटाइज तेरी कर दी है मैनू आई स्वेयर ट्रिकी ड्रेस में बॉम्ब लगती मैनू
Give it up for Sonali Thakur.
That drawing has no personality, guys. Please, mine was.
Can you guys even see this? Can you see it now? What about now?
That is not a representation of my career now.
Sonali, if you had drawn this, can you see it now, guys? Oh, Sonali using white people's skin color for Indian skin. On white. This is on discount price. All right, Zakir Khan, you are up next. आओ, सलाम अलैकुम. आदाब. आपका मम्मी पापा कैसे हो? सब ठीक है घर पे?
अल्लाह करम.
अल्लाह अकबर क्या? अल्लाह बाद में है.
जो भी आप जो आप कह रही हैं वही सही और सच होता है. मतलब है नहीं, होता है.
हाँ, जिंदगी में.
लाइफ में
मेरा पूरा जिंदगी में. दिल में मर जाएगा. This is a sample of your song that you'll be singing.
The body on me. Oh, सही. Come on, follow the lead. Come on, follow the lead. ये तो काफी सही गाना है यार. I am in love with you, the shape of you. Pull the magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I am in love with your. Oh, I am in love with your body. Yes. The last night is.
Why the fuck do I have a touchy stain on the right arm?
नहीं, देखिए मैंने ना कलरिंग का ध्यान रखा इसमें. देखिए अनलाइक अदर पीपल कि यहाँ पे कुछ है और ये मुझे लगा Kanis, you always keep smiling.
Yeah, okay, all right.
I just want to point out that from neck upwards, you kind of look like a penis. You kind of look like a dick.
ये लंच जैसा लगेगा.
देखो मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि माना कि फेमिनिज्म का जमाना है पर लड़ना होना भी कोई शर्म की बात नहीं.
Zakir Khan, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to announce the winners. Are you guys ready to find out who won the General Fund Game Show? Number 5. The person in third place with 73.33 points is Sonali Thakkar.
Yeah! That's me.
Mala Gujuben. In second place with 90.33 points is Ashish Shakya.
Not bad.
Which means our winner tonight is none other than Zakir Khan. Give it up for Zakir Khan. No. Zakir Khan, you are the winner tonight.
ईद मुबारक.
Zakir Khan, would you like to say a few words? आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? आपका दिमाग में क्या हो रहा है?
मुझे याद है यार मैं 7th में था.
क्या मतलब?
7th स्टैंडर्ड.
हाँ.
और उस दिन मैं अपने आप से मैं जब वो क्या बोलते हैं जो अपने आप से आप सवाल पूछते हो सेल्फ डाउट.
हाँ.
तब मैंने खुद से पूछा था कि क्या मैं कभी जनरल फन पर्सन बन पाऊंगा.
अरे
I love you all. Sanju, last game.
Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award speech. Best.
Zakir Khan,